Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted object from your photo using Inshot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Inshot application on my mobile phone and I'm going to go to the photo editor to edit my photo. And we can click on this new to start creating new project. And you can choose a photo you want to remove the unwanted object from. I'm going to select photo from my pictures album. Okay, wait guys. And I'm going to find my photo. Wait. For example, I'm going to remove unwanted object from this photo. Okay, I'm going to remove this object guys. To remove an object, we have to overlay it with the same photo. We can click on PIP and import the same photo like this, and you're going to zoom in to get the full screen. Then to remove the unwanted object, we're going to use mask feature. Go to the mask and then select the shape of the mask according to the unwanted object you want to remove. And I'm going to select the rectangle mask. And then we're going to adjust the size of the mask and also the position. Okay, then you can take another part of your photo to cover the unwanted object. I'm going to drag the mask. Okay, this is the mask guys, and I'm going to cover the unwanted object with the mask. If you want to rotate the mask, you can use your two fingers. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. It's tricky step guys, and you won't be able to apply this trick to all your photos. Okay, I think I need to make it bigger. Okay, now it's done, and to make it more natural, I recommend you to adjust the brightness. You can go to the brightness, go to the adjust first, and customize the brightness. I'm going to reduce the brightness. Okay, you will be able to apply filter as well to make it more natural. Oops, it's not good, so I'm not gonna apply filter. Okay, and this is the final result. As you can see guys, that the unwanted object has been removed. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.